Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix freezing while in game. So first of all you have to do is just go to the search for device manager, and then go to display adapters, search for your graphic, right click on it, and then click on update driver. After that, choose the first option. As you can see, my driver is updated. Let's close it, and then go to Roblox player, search for Roblox player, right click on it, and then click on open file location. Right click second time on Roblox player here, and then choose properties. Go to compatibility, check this option and choose Windows 7. Check these two options here in settings, and then click on compatibility troubleshooter. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's doing its tests. And then just choose this one. Let's close it. Go back here, close this one, and then click on apply, and then OK, and I hope it's corrected your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.